Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of innovative solutions. Today, we're exploring what many consider the best in its class, the 63Z0 door closer. Whether you're enhancing security or improving accessibility, this device is designed to deliver unparalleled performance. The 63Z0 door closer stands out for its robust construction and sophisticated engineering. It's crafted to handle residential and commercial doors with ease, ensuring smooth operation and reliable closure every time. This isn't just any door closer, it's a testament to precision and durability. Let's talk features. Firstly, precision control. Thanks to its advanced hydraulic technology, the 63Z0 allows you to adjust the closing speed effortlessly, tailored to your specific needs. Whether it's a heavy office door or residential entrance, you have complete control over how fast or slow it closes. Secondly, installation simplicity. Designed with convenience in mind, the 63Z0 door closer is straightforward to install, saving you time and hassle. Its universal design fits most standard doors, making it a versatile choice for various applications. Imagine never having to worry about a door slamming shut unexpectedly. With its smooth and quiet operation, the 63Z0 door closer ensures a seamless user experience while minimizing noise disturbance. It's ideal for homes, offices, and public buildings alike. Durability is key when it comes to security devices. The 63Z0 is constructed from high-quality materials, built to withstand frequent use and varying weather conditions. Its sturdy build ensures longevity, providing peace of mind for years to come. In conclusion, if you're in the market for reliability, precision, and ease of use, look no further than the 63Z0 door closer. It's not just a device, it's a solution engineered to enhance your security and convenience effortlessly. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of product excellence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, your ultimate guide to making informed choices.